Welcome.
Glad you're here.
We are happy you're watching.
And we welcome you all to
Physics with a Bang. All right. Oh. Ah!
Well, Physics with a Bang is a show that we've been putting on for the past 16 or 17 years now for the audience throughout Chicago, where we bring in all sorts of students, their parents, their grandparents, to
people from the neighborhood.
People from the neighborhood, so that we can show them why physics is so much fun.
I think the best thing that could happen is for people to walk out of one of these lectures and go, how did they do that?
And isn't physics fun?
We'd love to have them respond basically viscerally, which often could be a little joy scream, possibly, or
oohs and ahs.
Oohs and ahs. Well, you know, we're colleagues, same department, same university.
Our labs are across the hall from each other. Our students interact all the time.
That's right. We both look at science also with a visual lens, if you want.
An aesthetic lens.
An aesthetic lens, yeah, that's certainly true.
We knew that we enjoyed doing these demonstrations in our classes, and we thought, wouldn't it be fun to put them all together into one amazing show? Some of these demonstrations are anti-intuitive. You think this is not the way nature works, but because we know something about the physics of it, we can make this particular effect happen, it comes across as really surprising.
So what we try to show, especially with this event, are things that you wouldn't necessarily see with your naked eye. And that's another reason for doing it and getting excited about it, is bring out our research cameras and show things that happen at really, really fast speeds, and then play them back slowly for you, and the whole world opens up.
It takes around 100 volunteers to get this
almost
program
100 volunteers, because there are the actual shows, but then what's so nice now, over the years we have augmented that with an open house where you can see scientists in their natural habitat.
And a number of our students and postdocs have gone on and continued this and brought it to other places. Everyone, once they get a taste of it,
it sticks with you, right?
It sticks with you.